everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 22 to the 26th of June 2020. If you want the full episode, I will leave the link on the comment section. On Monday, Nkaba is furious about being challenged in public. Luzuko confirms that the kidnapping will happen tonight. A shocking interview on Flying News has the whole town talking. On Tuesday, Mreza quickly has to dodge a bullet when Lucy confronts him. Jack isn't about to be painted as a bad guy. TD persistence might finally be paying off. On Wednesday, Nontle is determined to fix the mess she has made but has no idea how. The Morocco brothers want to get rid of their unwelcome house guest. Lisedi warns Mpo about stealing from customers but it falls on a deaf ears. On Thursday, Ayanda aghast about what her daughter wants to do but Tao seems to like the idea. Mazwi shows up at the lodge and is shocked by what he finds. Kabis is caught off guard by a kiss. Wow, Kabis and the kiss. On Friday, Jack takes the bait and thus reveals his true colors. Melokuhle put her foot in it just as Sipho intended. Mreza seized the moment when Gaddafi shows up. This is all I have for today, guys. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.